Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram group organized and give your admins more control, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to allow group admins to delete messages in your Telegram group using the latest update. Whether you're managing a busy community or just want a cleaner chat, these steps will help you set the right permissions. First, open the Telegram app on your device and make sure you're logged in with your admin account. Once you're in, head over to the group where you want to update admin permissions. Tap on the group to open the chat. At the top of the screen, tap on the group name. This will bring you to the group's profile and settings page. Here, look for the Edit button, usually represented by a pencil icon, and tap on it to access the group management options. Next, find and tap on the Administrators section. You'll see a list of all the admins in your group. Scroll through and select the admin whose permissions you want to update. A new menu will appear, showing all the available rights for that admin. Look for the option labeled Delete Messages. This permission allows the admin to remove any message from the group, helping you keep the conversation clean and spam-free. To enable this feature, simply toggle the Delete Messages switch to the on position. Don't forget to tap Save to apply your changes. That's it. The selected admin now has the ability to delete messages in your Telegram group. This feature is perfect for keeping your group free of unwanted content and gives you more flexibility in managing your community. Remember, you can always return to the Administrators section to adjust permissions as your group's needs change. Thanks for tuning in. Now you're ready to take control of your Telegram group and keep your chats running smoothly.